Python unveiled a deep dive into its role and future in shaping careers. Introduction. Python, a versatile programming language, has become a powerhouse in the tech industry, transforming the landscape of software development, data science, and artificial intelligence. In this blog, we explore the multifaceted role of Python and delve into why it's not just a programming language but a gateway to a promising future in the tech world. Chapter 1. The pervasive influence of Python. Role. Python's versatility extends across web development, data analysis, machine learning, automation, and more. Versatility showcase: Django and Flask for web development, Pandas and NumPy for data science, TensorFlow and PyTorch for machine learning, and automation with Selenium. Chapter 2. Python in web development. Role. Python, with frameworks like Django and Flask, simplifies web development, emphasizing clean and maintainable code. Tech highlights: Django for robust web applications, Flask for lightweight projects, and the Flask RESTful extension for building apps. Chapter 3. Python's dominance in data science. Role. Python is the go-to language for data scientists, offering powerful libraries for data manipulation, visualization, and analysis. Key libraries: Pandas for data manipulation, Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization, and Jupyter notebooks for interactive data analysis. Chapter 4. Python and machine learning. Role. Python is the language of choice for machine learning, providing a rich ecosystem for building and deploying models. Frameworks and libraries: TensorFlow and PyTorch for deep learning, scikit-learn for traditional machine learning, and Keras for high-level neural networks. Chapter 5. Automation with Python. Role. Python's simplicity makes it ideal for automating repetitive tasks, saving time and enhancing efficiency. Automation tools: Selenium for web automation, Ansible for configuration management, and scripting for task automation. Chapter 6. Python and artificial intelligence. Role. Python is a driving force in AI development, facilitating natural language processing, computer vision, and more. AI libraries: NLTK for natural language processing, OpenCV for computer vision, and SpaCy for advanced text processing. Chapter 7. Python's future in shaping careers. Role. Future trends. Python's influence is expected to grow further with advancements in AI, data science, and the rise of automation. Its readability, extensive library support, and community backing make it an enduring choice for tech professionals. Conclusion. Navigating a Pythonic future. In conclusion, Python isn't just a programming language, it's a transformative force shaping the future of technology. Its adaptability across diverse domains positions Python as a cornerstone for career growth in the ever-evolving tech landscape. Whether you're a seasoned developer or an aspiring tech enthusiast, mastering Python opens doors to a world of possibilities and ensures your relevance in the dynamic field of technology. Thank you.